Okay, so we'll go through the solutions to the Monday's homework. I wanted to try all three of the difficult higher level problems. And I know from some of you emailing me that there were some issues with the recast and the immersion problem. So I'll go through these now and have a good look at them, obviously take down the solutions, correct your own homework. And if there's still any issues, get back onto me, okay? So a solid cylinder of radius 8 centimeters and height 12 centimeters is made of wax. Okay, so bad drawing. So we have a cylinder. It has a radius of 8 centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. So they're going to take all of the wax that's in that. They're going to melt it down. And they're going to turn it into a sphere. And we're looking for the radius of the sphere. Okay, so we start. It doesn't say that like any of the wax is lost. So basically all of the wax that makes up the cylinder is going to be melted down and will make up the sphere. Yeah, so the volume of wax in the cylinder is equal to the volume of wax in the sphere. So formulas, where did I put that? Here. Volume of cylinder is here, pi over squared h. So I'm going to write that here. And volume of a sphere is here, 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Okay, so we're going to fill in what we know. So always leave pi, because most of the time there's a pi on both sides and it just cancels. So radius of the cylinder is 8 and we have to square it. The height of the cylinder is 12. We have 4 over 3 on this side, pi, and the radius is what we don't know. As in that's what we're trying to isolate. Okay, so I do have a pi on both sides. Sorry, I'm going to change colour there. So I have a pi on both sides, so I can divide by pi, which will take this pi and remove them. And the left hand side there we have 8 squared multiplied by 12, which is 768. And over here we have 4 over 3 and r cubed. Okay, so I'm trying to isolate the r, which means I need to get rid of the 4 over 3 and I need to get rid of the cubed. So get rid of the 4 over 3 first by dividing by 4 over 3, because that will cancel that out. But whatever you do on one side, you have to do on the other side. So divided by 4 over 3. That is 576 equals r cubed. To get rid of a cubed, you use a cubed root. That will cancel it out. But again, if you cubed root on one side, you have to cubed root on the other side. So cubed root is shift square root, 576. And I'm getting find the radius of the sphere. Doesn't say anything about decimal places. So I have 8.32 centimeters. $576 cubed root. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Alright, the second one. Okay, an immersion problem. So the cylinder of radius 6 centimeters is partially filled with water and a sphere of radius 3 centimeters is dropped in. By how much will the water rise? So the way we start these questions is that the volume of the sphere is equal to the volume of the rise. Okay, so whatever volume the sphere is, that's how much the water has gone up by. The next thing you have to do is identify a shape for the rise. Okay, so the rise will always take on the shape of the container, because the rise is the rise of the liquid. The liquid will always take on the shape of the container, and in this case the container is a cylinder. Okay, so we're actually using the same formulas. The sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, and the rise is going to be pi r squared h, and what we're looking for is how much it will rise by, which is this. Okay, so 4/3 pi, the radius of the ball is 3, the sphere, cubed, equals pi. The radius of the cylinder is 6 squared h. Again, we will divide by pi to tidy all this up. So pi are gone. So I have 4/3 by 3 cubed equals 6 squared by h. So 7 multiplied by 4/3. So 4/3 by 3 cubed is 36. 6 squared is 36, and then h. And then if we divide by 36 on both sides, these will cancel, leaving me with h. And 36 divided by 36 is 1, and there it's all in centimeters. So it will rise by